In front of me is Cubot Note 50 and today I would like to show you how you can delete multiple photos at once. Begin by accessing Photos and clicking on Photos at the bottom left corner or Library over here. Wherever you decided, when you're ready, just hold one of your pictures that you wish to delete and use those type of dots at the top right corner to select multiple. If you want to keep some of those photos, tap on the chosen one, and then to delete the rest, use bin icon. Then click on Got It and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!